Hi, it's Nicky, IT company, Groningen. We have here HP laptop Pavilion 15 B006 ED. The LCD is broken. We can show you. Here, nice LCD. Let's change the LCD. I have here the new LCD already ordered. There are two screws downside, star screws. Let's open. One, two. Be careful, you can open the LCD cover. There you are. The cover is open. There are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 to open the LCD. Even you can take the charger out for some security. Four screws are opened just easily, like this. Open downside. Here is the cable for the. Very be careful. You can open the cable. Mostly tape, so you have to very relax to lose it. So it's almost. So the LCD is loose. Now the new one. Here, it's a new LCD. Yes, put it here. Connect the LCD. Again, how you take it out. So, LCD is connected. You can also test first before we screw everything again back. So let's test. Yes, you can see it's working. Sorry. No, we can also use the time to fix the corners. One. Two. Three. And 4 here. case goes back, just top. So, like that. You can also turn it up back, shut down. Just relax, no panic, that's most important when you're fixing something. Just try to feel the clicks and then it's always okay. So just check every click is done, also from the downside. Yes, every click is done, and you have now 2 more screws. Yes, that's the 2 also clicks, and here you have the 2 screws. One is for here, and the second one is for here. This is some black stickers inside the screws, so I will put the new tape on for better holding. One. So I'm getting messages. Let's wait the messages, please. 1 and 2. Like this. Let's cut also this one. Let me also make that other one ready. There are 2 points that black. One and one more. It's the second one. Yes, which is second one. Now I can also cut them round. Not looks ugly or something. So it's round cut it. Also this one. Sorry, telephone. We have to change it. The tape, fix it. 1. So put it here on. 1 is done. The second one. So the second one is also done. Now let's test. Let's make it on again. Here, the PC goes on. No, it's fixed. The LCD is replaced. And that's it. If you have any question, write it down. Comment it down if you like it. And we will make in the coming time more videos. Goodbye.